So spring is typically a busy time for buying and selling homes here in San Diego, but the coronavirus pandemic has pushed homeowners and shoppers into new uncharted territory. And the shelter-in-place orders and the concerns about contagion, they have forced many real estate agents to cancel open houses while unemployment is at historically high levels. But even in the midst of this pandemic that is devastating our economy, many Americans still want, or they even need, to buy a home in the near future. With so much uncertainty these days, buying or planning to buy a house during this pandemic requires extra careful consideration. The federal government has provided relief through cash payments, and lenders are also offering mortgage forbearance options. But with unemployment numbers rising, more people could be forced into selling their homes or enter foreclosure, potentially leading to reductions in home prices. Now, if the price cuts materialize, that would be great news for buyers in locations where affordability is already stretched thin. A bigger inventory of homes on the market may soon be on the horizon for buyers. Now, sellers or potential sellers are sitting on the sidelines waiting for the dust to settle before moving forward with listing their property. Now, there's also a chance that buyers are also waiting in the wings for the coronavirus pandemic to end and the economy to get back on its feet. Now, the high possibility of an increase in inventory of homes for sale could put buyers in a great position. Over the past few months, mortgage interest rates have been lower than we've ever seen before, and experts expect that trend to continue. Now, the general consensus of experts is that interest rates will continue to remain low for several months to come, and if buyers are hoping to find a deal on their mortgage during this health crisis, they should consider writing an offer now. If low mortgage rates and being stuck indoors has convinced you that it's time to find a new home, this may be a great time for you to consider buying. Serious buyers should always have their mortgage lender on speed dial, but in these unprecedented times, this advice is more relevant than ever. Keep constant communication with your lender and be in the know on the updates on the lending market. Should you fall in love with a home, focus on the long-term numbers, which is your interest rate and your monthly mortgage payment, instead of always trying to time the market. That's nearly impossible. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Mondays with Mario. Show me some love by hitting that like button. And if you've had any thoughts of buying, let's connect. I'm Mario Albañez. I'll catch you on next week's episode.